everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me today. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffins. Alright y'all, so we got another synthetic wig review today. And this unit is a Zury Sis unit from their Natural Sis Thin Top collection. So with this unit, as you see, you get this very nice natural texture. It's kind of like that kinky straight blown out like perm effect. Yes, honey, y'all know that is my fave. They claim to have a thin and flat HD lace with this new sewing method so that she comes pre-flattened already. So you don't have to do too much work to get her flat. So I'm reviewing this unit in the style NAT-FT, Lace H, Louise is her name. Like all that other stuff, you'd be like, what? Louise is her name. Or Louis. I don't know, I'm gonna go with Louise. I know Louise normally has an E on the end, but because it's a wig, I'm gonna go with Louise. Could be Louis though, I don't know. Anyway, I have her in the color FS1B/30. So let's go ahead and dive in, Shug Muffin, into this wig review.
It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you've done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you've done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you've done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you've done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You see, I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you've done for me, done for me, done for me.
Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into my thoughts on this cutie here. First and foremost, you already know, I'm here for this texture. Anything with the natural, kinky, straight, Yaki, straight, all that, that's right up my alley. This texture is amazing. It definitely feels like a natural pressed texture, which I love. So that's pretty much why I got her in a natural color. I absolutely love this style, y'all. Like the whole layered effect here in the front, giving it to me. Yes, like y'all know I love my layers. When I ain't gotta go in and cut them myself, I am happy. Like these layers are nice on both sides. Now this unit does claim to be shiftable, and as you saw, she is. I was able to shift her to the middle and then back to my right side part as I personally prefer. This unit is also glueless, which makes her beginner friendly. She is a nice, good throw on and go, sis. super easy, minimal work involved. I feel like she looks super natural. She lays nice, even being glueless. This is a really nice unit. I honestly didn't come across a whole lot of cons. The only one con that I came across was the shedding. Now, it could be human error. I definitely cut real close to that hairline, and I'm sure I cut off all the baby hairs that came with the unit because I didn't see any once I cut the lace off. So I had to create my little own swoop right here. So, you know, I'll take a little bit of that blame. Y'all know I like to be accountable. I will take a little bit of the blame for the shedding. Not all of it, though. No tangling, though. That's a plus. Not tangling whatsoever. Like, this hair feels amazing. Like, seriously, like I just got a press. Got my natural hair pressed. Very nice. Now, the price range of this unit ranges anywhere between $30 and $50. That's a pretty wide gap. However, you can find her at that $30 price range. You just gotta get a little strategic in your shopping options, okay? As usual, I'll leave a shopping link down in the description box for you to check out if you're interested. So because this wig was super easy and it wasn't a whole lot that I did not enjoy about her, I mean, that's really all I got. Like, she's super cute and easy. Of course, I would love to know your thoughts, so let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let's go ahead and chat about her. Also, if you have made it this far, go ahead and leave me a pair of red lips right here. Down in the comments below so that I know you made this at the end, Shug Muffin, and I truly, truly appreciate you for that. Also, if you're not already, make sure you're following me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I'd love to see you and communicate with you there as well. I thank you all so much for watching this video. I always appreciate you. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.
Done for me lately. With your heart and your attention, where's the